ebisinga lwakuba nti kale abasajja tubeerawo ne tusirika naye nga abasajja nabo bali mu kuyita mu bizibu bingi. Nange kennyini ndi musawo mbeera wano naye ebiseera ebisinga abasajja bangi abajja okundaba nga balina ensonga yekuusa ku bakyala baabwe nga babatulugunya babayisa bubi, naye omusajja n'asalawo n'akola kye n'aguma. Jja ne tubeerawo ne tumala ebbanga ng'omukansolinga naye ng'olabira ddala nti ayita mu kiki. Waliwo abajja wano nga bamukubye eriiso, bamukubye awaliwo yajja nga bamukubye erinnyo nga livuddemu nga mukyala yamukuba, yajjawo omusekuzo n'amukuba. So naye yakola ki? Teyamuwaabira poliisi, teyakola kinasirika n'agamba musawo naye amazima nti okuswala ngenda. Ne mugamba naye kale wadde otya okuswala naye at least yogerako naye. So obuzibu bwe buli nti abasajja tetufiiriddwako ebiseera ebisinga. Ate ekyembi nti bwe nayogerako mukisa gwe nafunako ne njogera ne ankowe nga ndaga nti yagendayo n'ayogera nabo nga yaŋŋamba bwe gambi ennaku zino abakyala baabawa ebbeetu balina eddembe nti tolina kukola ki kulowooza nti mukyala agenda kukola buli kyoyagala akole. So ebiseera ebisinga omukyala olina okukola ki olina omuwa ku ddembe naye n'abeera n'eddembe. Ne mugamba naye si nti oba bintu bya maka, mugambye nti naza ku bikunta by'omwana kati eri eddembe oyagala nze abaabyoza oba nze abaakola kyate nga ngenze kukola. So nakyo kyandaga nti bonga bo muwala waabwe kyayagala bagamba nti nze mbadde mwogerera nnyo kuba nani kawodiyo kenayogera nako nga ndaga nti abagambye nti nze mbadde mubeerako nnyo mu amateeka kola kino twekikozewo oti ng'omuntu omanyi nti oba akoze ekintu oluusi n'afumba emmere n'esiira n'ogamba byaddala leero kwabuzeemu. Oyinza omugamba ng'ali mu kuseka avaamu anyiize, onoomugambako ebukyafu n'agamba ne aba ali mukyala ate batusingako obukyafu okusinga tulina bulungi nnyo.
For us who get married, we eat very many things.
Yeah, true.
Even the educated ones, we eat very many things, but we're not surviving. You think we don't eat these things? and don't, for you, just pray that you get a suitable pattern. We have seen boyfriends or men killing their wives. We have seen wives killing husbands. We have seen husbands, wives fight over small. They even get injuries. Like, I regret what happened. And you know the scenario, how it happened. You are the one who knows it very well. Without doubt, I know you know what took place at that time of splashing hot water. You know what took place. Nobody knows. You are the one who knows. But thank God that we survived. We have seen people being proud. Those things you have seen them. Social media everywhere. Because then the other part of this hygiene, that one depends on an individual. So that one, but you know what I see is that you get settled in your job, you settle a daughter, then we pray for both of you succeed in whatever ventures you are doing. As simple as that. But annoyed that you don't show it that you are annoyed. That you bring your advice in parables, in proverbs, you relate with examples, and you will see things cooling down. And there are those ones who are very stubborn. I've seen women beating their husbands, or even a girlfriend beating a boyfriend. Even you have not even entered into that marriage or that. How do I call it? You have not entered already, but you are already fighting. You can imagine. He is a friend. And do you know that somebody accepting it produce a child with you? There is that strong love that connected me with my wife. True. The moment they accept, there is something, only that just a small thing is disturbing. Maybe perfection. Perfection has very many things. This one to be like this. is not a robot. A robot you can command. But if a robot, the energy, when the energy is not much, it will also not work. And unless you re-energize, if things cannot work out. But first of all, the child is very okay. I found him very, very joyous. So there was nothing as far as his health is concerned. It was okay. So when I talked to my brother, the other incident that happened about and whatever, the other one also gave us her side. But we have said that if that decision has failed, you come back home, eat, go for further studies, then other things will follow. I simple as that, but we are not happy with that incident. Of course, it is common. So the disagreements are there, and I think it is because you are still young, not knowing what to do, how to solve those conflicts. But nobody wants such a kind of marriage. So we have decided that let us first educate our girl, then she will find a way of doing things when she's mature. Because I think you lack the maturity, both of you. Because she has a side which has some points. Which part is like yours. But I found the parents just relaxed, said, if you have failed the marriage, you stay, no problem. So we have that level. So the conciliation will be God will intervene in air and forgive one another and let everybody go and do his or her own thing. Because we found that you two people, you cannot manage. Marriage is not that, it is not all that easy. You need patience, guidance, here and there. So as human beings, there are these times when a human being can change. But now that you have studied one another, so you got to reach the safely. So we are glad. I even told my brother who is in Kampala. I said with him, we said, let the girl, if she has failed, let her remain at home. So we are just there, waiting for another program which will be created by his parents, by her parents. So we said, let her first understand what she's supposed to do. Go for further studies. God will sort you. So that is, I don't think I have very many things to say.
What was her take on that?
What?
What was her take on that?
Which take?
Going for further studies and stop on that.
No, for us, we decided that let her leave that business of getting married.
Okay.
Let her first go for further studies and herself and go back to normal. If she wants to get married, it will be her choice in the future, but not now.
Okay.
But the child don't mind. The child will grow like any other child. We grow up in rural villages, in towns. So that one we should not get worried. Everything will be okay. But for me, I wish you good luck in your business. I wish her good luck in whatever she's planning to do. Because you have to look for a job, first of all. You have to prepare her to go for further studies. as we look after our children, yeah, ours, including your child is my blood. So you don't get worried. Things, okay. I think, in fact, when I talked to my brother, he said that I have some crew. Then we chatted with both parents. The child told us aside. And we found some point. We also have a point. First of all, my brother regretted the incident of that hot tea, something like that. Tea water, whatever it is, so long as it was hot water. I know you are calling because the phone alerted me, but I did not mind because
Yes, I am.
Coding, no problem.
Okay.
So you do your business comfortably. You have no problem.
What are the plans of me getting that child then?
No, the child, you can't consult Ro. Is he 7 years old?
No,
You don't go into that very much because he's not the first child.